This is my hammock stand. I put that one back there to pull it up, give me more room back there. I just put those, where is it? The snap right there. I only, just one snap on each side. I might put, maybe I'll put another one up here somewhere. I sewed that piece of leather on there to keep that from ripping. That's what I did on the back here too. See? Maybe you can't, I don't know. Sewed a piece of leather on there and then I put my mule tape on there. I like it. Anyway, that's a 9x12 canvas tarp I got at Harbor Freight for $14.99 the other day. And then I just cut out, just Google Whelen tent pattern. It's W-H-E-L-E-N. Anyway, I just shortened up all the measurements because the one, I couldn't have made it out of one cloth, in one piece of cloth, the way the pattern is. The sun's brutal. Anyway, anyway, I did, but as long as I'm 6'2", and I could fit all the way across it. And then these, you know, these, as I showed you, they snap up, snap, and you know. Anyway, you know how I roll, man. I'm just messing around. Anyway, I think that'll work pretty good, though. Heck yeah, man. I seen these on the internet. Like the cheapest ones you could find, man, are like $215. So, and I already had this mule tape, and I already had snaps. I mean, you know, $14 for a Whelen lean-to tent. I think it's pretty cool. I really didn't want to cut a hole in my Army pup tent for that stove jack. So I'm thinking in the wintertime, because I'm not going to do it this year because it's too hot now. But I already have a stove jack. I can sew it in the back of that and put my stove in the back of that and sleep right there. It's going to be very cool. Anyway, just wanted to, I don't know, I just wanted to document it. So anyway, see you later. That's the awning part. The front part that I folded down. And where I cut these, everywhere I cut, I hemmed up with my sewing machine. Okay, so I'm really out this time. Anyway, y'all take it easy, and see you later.